Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's warm up our mind first. Take a look at this picture. What do you think happened to them? Maybe they felt very stressed, worried, or emotionally tired. It reminds us that sometimes we feel the same too, and that's totally okay. Today I'm going to talk about a very important and helpful topic: 3 simple mental health techniques to calm your mind. My name is Aulia Zamufida, and I want to share something that can really help us feel better when we are feeling overwhelmed. Okay. Um, as students, we often experience psychological pressure, stress, and anxiety are very common these days, especially with school, tasks, social life, and family expectation. Sometimes we feel like there's too much noise in our heads. That's why we need simple techniques to reduce that pressure and bring mental clarity. The 3 techniques are: 1. Brain dump or journaling, 2. Grounding 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 3. Worry time or postponement. These are free, easy, and don't take much time, but they make a big difference. Okay, let's start with the first one, brain dump. This is a technique where you write down all your thoughts, feelings, and even random worries. You don't have to write something perfect, just let it flow. It's like putting everything out of your brain and onto paper. This helps empty your mind, especially when you feel too overwhelmed or before going to sleep. You can write something like, "Today I feel tired because of too many assignments, but I believe I will be okay." This simple habit is very therapeutic and helps reduce symptoms of stress. Okay, next is grounding 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This method uses your senses to help you return to the present moment. It's very helpful when you are feeling anxious or overthinking. Here's how it works. Say 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This helps your brain stop worrying about the future and instead focus on what's real right now. It's a great way to feel calm and safe. Okay, the last one is called worry time or postponement. Sometimes we keep thinking about the same worry over and over again. The technique lets you set a specific time, for example 7 p.m., to think about these worries. If it's not the time yet, you just remind yourself, "It's not worry time yet, I'll think about this later." For example, it's 2 p.m., I feel worried about my presentation, but I will think about it at 7 p.m. This practice helps you stay focused during the day and manage your thoughts better. You are not ignoring your problems, just postponing them to a better time. So to review once again, brain dump helps clear your mind, grounding 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 helps calm your body, and worry time helps you control your thoughts. These 3 techniques are simple, practical, and backed by research. They can really make a big difference in our daily lives. So let's try to practice one or all of them when we feel stressed. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.